Hey all you wacky balkas. Are you tired of the downgrading bad laundry sauce? Well, introducing Laundry Sauce Extra. And it's 50% off. Wow. Holy crap, did I forgot to mention that the laundry sauce is 50% off. Come on down and buy some laundry sauce. Buy IT now, 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 buy IT now.
How do you even say sane?
What are you even talking about?
I'm saying, like, there's nothing to do around here. All you do is just watch TV? Don't you get, like, tired of that?
Well, I guess it gets a bit boring. I do have an Xbox around if you want to hook that up.
Oh, for real? Shit, you should've just told me about that earlier.
Yeah, it's in one of those boxes in the closet.
I bet.
How long is this gonna take? I just wanna leave.
Just wait, stupid. It wouldn't even take long.
Either the cashiers are too slow, or maybe someone has too many stuff.
Go and cry me a river.
Or maybe you're just stupid.
As ever, Bogart, your sense of humor never ceases to amaze me.
Was that an insult?
You figure it out.